Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing some compound exercises. So I did like 12 sets today. So for my first workout, we went with the barbell deadlifts with some 20 kg plates on both sides. So we are now deadlifting 60 kgs. The barbell over there is weighing 20 kgs. So we are hitting this for 5 sets for 10 reps each. So while I was doing this workout, I was just doing some wide leg deadlifts and close leg deadlifts as well, just to work different parts of the thigh muscles. There you go. I like starting with the deadlifts. It just warms your body up for you to do other workouts. So if you checked out my previous video yesterday, I did chest and back, and yeah, this morning my chest I can feel the muscles was paining. But anyways, today we're working on the deadlifts, which works on your legs and your back. And I also finished it off with some shoulders as well. The shoulders, we did like a superset on the shoulders. It's not a superset. It's like I did 2 sets, but it was like 5 exercises per set. So I don't know what you call that. I know there's called the supersets and trisets, but if you do 5 workouts in one set, what do you call that, guys? I don't know what you call that. So yeah, so I was pumping these over here, and it was feeling good. I can feel it on my legs, I can feel it on my lower back, and also I can feel it on my forearms. You got to do some of these heavy compound lifts at least once a week, just to strengthen up your body, so you can so that you can perform other workouts easily. So yeah, after the deadlifts, we went to hit it with some squats, also 20 kg plates on both sides, and that was the real workout that really burns and also make you breathe heavily. So on these deadlifts, the easiest lifts was when your legs are a bit closer, and also when it's wider as well. So it's pretty good like that. I try to just like lift it quickly and then hold it up for like a few seconds and just drop back the weight. This is how I do my deadlifts. I don't know, I've seen other YouTubers do it. They do it completely different, but this is how I do it, and this is how it works for my body. So it's because of my height. Some people, they are taller, so their backs will bend way down when they do this movement. But if you are shorter like myself, my height is 167 centimeters, so it's about 5'6" or something like that. And then you can see my back won't be like bent like other fitness guys that you see on YouTube when their backs bent way down. So yeah, everyone's different. So as long as you make sure your back is straight and your head is kept forward, then everything's good. It doesn't mean you have to like perform exactly like how others do it. Just do it how you guys do it for your body type. Well, it takes practice. Just keep on hitting those deadlifts every week, and then you'll learn what's good for your body. So as you can see, after the 5 sets of deadlifts of 10 reps, we went to do 5 sets of squats for 10 reps, hitting 20 kg plates on both sides. So we are squatting 60 kgs over here. I don't know, at the gym, I like working out a lot of reps. So I see other people working out, they like doing 3 sets of heavy reps and all that. It's good. It's good as well what they do. If the results show for them, then it's good. But me, I prefer to hit more reps because it's a workout. When you go to the gym, you have to work out. We don't just perform one heavy set and then just rest 10 minutes and play on our phones. I don't do that. So yeah, so after all this workout, I also went to work on my abs. You need to strengthen your abs to do these kind of workouts to make this workout easier. But yeah, so while doing this workout, I'm starting to breathe heavily, but I've been performing the workouts the whole year, so it has become a bit easier for me. And I also have like cut out a lot of intense cardio, like long duration intense cardio, because I see when you do those kind of exercises, it's like it messes with your strength when you do weight training. So now I prefer always doing my heavy weight training and then just go for do some abs or some jump rope, or just a little bit of running for like 10 to 20 minutes, and that's it. We don't want to do too much cardio. But when you feel like your fitness level, when you're out of breath, when you're going for walks at the malls and stuff, then you know you need to pack on the cardio and the boxing gloves and the jump rope just to improve your heart breath. So you only do those kind of workouts when you feel like you're very down and you feel like you're unhealthy. But if you're healthy, just keep on pumping the weight training, because the weight training, it shapes your body, tone your muscles, and yeah, keeps you fit. And it also it also helps the if you heard about the afterburn, like you ate some stuff and then the muscles will help to burn off the fat and all that stuff. So yeah, these squats weren't easy over here. I was already sweating doing this. Hey, but it's good for me because I know the afterburn is great. So yeah, keep on pumping. Wow. All right. Okay, you can see I was already finished there, but this workout you can see this video is 14 minutes and 30 seconds, and I completed this workout in about 45 minutes, so you can see how much rest I was taking. So yeah, after the squats, I went to do this superset over here for 2 sets. So first you started off with some barbell shoulder presses there, and then I got these 7.5 kg dumbbells over here to do some lateral side raises for 10 reps. So first it was 10 reps of the barbell shoulder press. I put 2 10 kg plates, so I was pressing 40 kgs there for 10 reps. And then now with the dumbbells, 7.5 kg dumbbells, doing some lateral side raises there for 10 reps. And after those, we do some front raises. You can see I was already exhausted. Just think about after doing deadlifts and squats, and then you do this. So yeah, now we're doing some alternating front raises with the dumbbells over there. And yeah, just pumping it. It's almost like a cardio workout kind of thing. But it's like a cardio workout, and it also works on your muscles and stuff. I think this front raise works on your shoulders as well, the front part of your shoulders, and the sides work on the side shoulders over there. So I just do these workouts. I don't focus mostly on these kind of basic movements. I'll mostly focus on the compound lifts because that really like gives you the best results. But just to improve, because like doing these workouts, it'll help you improve on your calisthenics as well, like your push-ups and all that when you have built up those muscles. So as you can see there, I did some bent over raises over there, bent over flies with those dumbbells, and then the fifth workout for this superset, we do some alternating reverse grip raises over there. And this workout also works on your front shoulders and a bit of the chest as well. So yeah, when you're doing this, it's like doing some uppercuts, because I also like doing a bit of like boxing training for my cardio. So these are a bit of like uppercuts just to finish it off. And by then I was already breathless, but I was just keep on pushing and pumping these weights over there. So yeah, that's what I enjoy. Okay, this is my final set. I was already breathless, but I just kept on pumping it. Let's do this. Yeah. This workout also helps strengthen your forearms. Yeah, just to like when if you have like heavy boxes and stuff, this is the workout you must do to like push things. You can't just do a bench press because it's easy. You must always do some hard stuff. So this workout over here, this 5 workouts per set, I did this for the first time just to test my fitness level. And yeah, it wasn't easy. That's why I just do 2 sets of these. But hey, once you do this next week, come and repeat it, and let's see how many sets can we do of this. It's all about doing it, and then recovery and eating well. And then next time when you come to the gym, you must do more progressions, and then you become better. And it becomes easy. Once you do these workouts and it becomes easy, you know that, damn, you're getting stronger. But anyways, today at the gym, while I was doing these workouts, a guy approached me, and then he said, I've seen you like the whole year working out since he was here, and then he can see some improvements in myself. But I was saying I'm still obese. You know, 92 kgs, it's the obese weight, so I must try to get to 80 kgs. I remember when I was 80 kgs, when I had those 6-pack abs. Now that was when everyone was looking at me, but now it's still at 92 kgs. It's good for them to tell me that, hey, you're looking good, but for myself, I still feel like I'm not that good yet. Because if you tune me like that, maybe I'll get lazy, but I won't get lazy. I need to reach back my goal weight of 80 kgs. Yeah, doing those dumbbell flies over there. I tend to do workouts that no one do at the gym. Everyone's just doing like 1 set or 1 workout. I like doing my supersets and my trisets, and yeah, a lot of different kind of workouts that help improve my body and my daily life if I do any hard activities. But anyways, I'm finishing it off with this workout. This workout works on the chest. And yeah, this was a good workout today, and hopefully I recover today and I can pump another workout tomorrow. But anyways, guys, if you watched this video till the end, thank you guys, and hope you guys, you can ask me some questions, and you can also give me some tips and advice. Thanks guys for watching. Peace.